Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Dropbox app. You will click on settings. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page of apps you will search about the application of Dropbox and you will click, sorry not here, you will click on Dropbox as you see. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment